Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And welcome back with me again. I'm Alief Zaki with student number 20400124040. And I would like to explain about sentence structure and sentence types. First of all, let's start with the simple sentence. So simple sentence consists of just one clause, one subject, and one verb. Understanding simple sentence structure is essential for us in order to improve our ability to make a more complex sentence. And now let's move to compound sentence. So compound sentence consists of two independent clauses that avoiding speaker to use choppiness or fragmented sentences, and so that they can complete two related ideas. For example, like I like coffee, but I don't like tea. The usage of conjunction but in this sentence express the contrast between two clauses. Okay, now let's move to the complex sentence. So complex sentence consists of one dependent clause and one independent clause, where the independent clause expressed as the main action or ideas, and the dependent clause is playing roles as an elaboration from the independent clause, so that they in order to enrich the meaning of a sentence. And the last one is compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence consists of one dependent clause and two independent clause, so that they can build a more sophisticated sentence. At this rate, the speakers can express more internship meaning in a single sentence. So basically, it's like more complete structure and more well structured compared to the previous sentence structures. Now we move to the sentence type. Now there are four different sentence types. The first one is declarative sentence. Declarative sentence is used to express a general thoughts, our opinions, or like to show our daily activities. For example, like this building is tall. You see, this is express the opinion or the general fact that you can see or you once know. And now move to the imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is more like to ask someone to do something. It's like a common sentence, like please open the door. It can be polite or more strict. And now the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence used to seek information or to clarify the the conversation. So simply it's for asking for information or something else. And now move to the exclamatory sentence. So exclamatory sentences are used to express a strong emotion such as anger, joyful, sadness, or excitement. So why do we have to understand this both sentence structure and sentence types so that we can clarify our meanings cohesively? So that also we can coherence our thoughts in a more various way. Moreover, understanding this structure can help us clarify the meaning so that the audience can understand us better. So what is the advantages for students who understand these structures, like the simple, compound, and complex sentence, so that the student uh, can like you see can improve their capability in organizing words to form a high level sentence and use them in daily communication or in classroom. Like you, how can teachers how can teachers like that ensure that there's no repetition or misuse of a single word or sentence in order to build a complex or compound complex sentence? Okay, so the method is actually pretty simple. So all you need to do is to tell them to write just several examples of complex and compound complex sentences and ask them to use it in their communication. And once they have mastered it, you can like make them in a interview where they need to answer several questions based on the sentence structure they have learned. Okay, so I think that's all for me. I'm sorry if there were any mistake dari topik BDR. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.